everyone, like they were disgusted with us. These two men delaying our flight for hours. I felt that everyone walking by us was thinking that we looked like Muslims and that we did not belong here.
All these people, they are watching us and watching what is happening because we are sitting on the first class and they are in the back of the airplane. What these people, they are going to think about Muslim people? What these people, they are going to think about the black people? Okay, these people, for no reason, they are going to hate Islam and they are going to hate the Muslim people.
Now I'm afraid that if I have to travel, I will be delayed again or be refused service because of my looks or my name.